In this video, I'll help you find the best drone with camera. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Our first contender is the brushless motor drone with a 4K camera priced at $69.99. This foldable drone comes with a carrying case, making it perfect for travel. It's equipped with a 4KB 120-degree manually adjustable lens and a 110-degree wide-angle lens, offering a broad shooting range. The drone provides breathtaking aerial views and supports real-time panoramic viewing through an app, allowing you to share your captures easily on social media. It features brushless motors for higher speeds and stable altitude hold, courtesy of its built-in system and optical flow positioning. With two 1600 mAh batteries, it boasts a remarkable 40 minutes of flight time. This drone is packed with features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and 360-degree flips, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots. Next up is the TENSSENX GPS drone with a 4K camera for adults priced at $99.99. This drone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120-degree wide angle and 90-degree adjustable lens, providing high-resolution pictures. It comes with GPS auto-return functionality, ensuring the drone returns home automatically if it loses signal or power. This drone promises a better flight experience with two batteries, providing up to 52 minutes of flight. Its thoughtful design includes a carrying case and foldable fuselage for easy storage and portability. Additionally, it offers intelligent functions like follow me, circle fly, and waypoint fly, making it a great option for capturing professional-grade footage. The RADCLO mini drone with camera, available for $53.99, is an excellent choice for kids, adults, and beginners. This mini drone features a 1080 pixels adjustable FPF camera and app control, allowing for a wide field of view and real-time panoramic viewing. It's easy to use with stable altitude hold function and one-key takeoff landing. The drone comes with a larger body size, a carrying case, two 800 mAh batteries, and a total flight time of 22 minutes. Its multiple functions like high-speed rotation, gesture control, and 3D flip cater to a range of flying needs. This drone stands out as an ideal gift with its full accessory package and excellent customer service. Another impressive option is the TENSSENX GPS drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, priced at $120.99. This drone features a 4K ultra high definition camera with image stabilization and a 90-degree adjustable lens. It offers GPS assisted smarter flight with auto return functionality for added safety. The upgraded configuration includes two batteries for 60 minutes of flight time and brushless motor for efficient, quiet operation. It's designed for ease of use with multiple sensors for steady hovering and functions like automatic takeoff and landing and altitude hold. The advanced LED screen remote control and multiple flight modes make it a top choice for both beginners and advanced users. Lastly, we have the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with a 4K EIS camera priced at $269.99. This lightweight and foldable drone features a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor, delivering high-quality images and videos. It offers easy operation with flexible control modes, including beginner mode and sport mode, where it can reach a maximum speed of 16 meters per second. With two batteries, it provides 62 minutes of flight time. The PixSync 2.0 technology ensures long transmission distances, and the precise GPS auto-return function adds to its reliability. It also includes multiple flight modes like follow me and waypoint flight for creative filming. In summary, the world of camera-equipped drones is diverse and innovative, offering something special for every aerial enthusiast. From the brushless moto drone's impressive flight time and versatile camera options to the TENSSENX GPS drone's ultra-clear imagery and intelligent flight modes, these drones are designed to cater to a wide range of filming and flying needs. The RADCLO mini drone stands out as an excellent entry-level option, perfect for beginners and young pilots, while the TENSSENX with its 4K UHD camera brings professional-grade capabilities to the skies. The Potensic Atom SE, with its advanced features and flexible control, is ideal for those seeking both performance and portability. Each of these drones offers a unique combination of technology, ease of use, and quality, making aerial photography and videography more accessible and enjoyable than ever. As we conclude our exploration of these fantastic drones, remember that the right drone for you depends on your specific needs, whether it's for capturing stunning vistas, exploring the sky, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight. And there you have it, my list of the best drones with camera. Don't forget that links to all the products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Thank you for watching, till next time.